What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my version of a delicious cherry cobbler right after this. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA. This episode is sponsored by milkandeggs.com. If you're in the LA area, check them out for farm fresh fruits, veggies, meats, and more. So summer means stone fruit season, and you may have noticed at your local grocery store that cherries, nectarines, and peaches are all at really good prices right now. So to make our cobbler, the first thing we're going to do is get started on our filling. So in a large metal bowl, I have 4 cups of pitted and halved cherries, and to that I'm going to add half of a cup of sugar, along with half of a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of flour, this will thicken up our filling, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. We're then going to give this a really good mix and then put it in the fridge while we work on our topping. So for the topping of our cobbler, in a food processor, I already have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, along with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, another half teaspoon of salt, and 1 stick of ice-cold butter that I've cut into cubes. Once this is in, we're going to pulse this until it forms kind of like a sand. All right, so once everything's combined and it's kind of sandy, we're going to add a half cup of milk. And then we're going to continue to pulse this until it comes together into a rough dough. All right, so once everything comes together, we're going to take this out and put it on our surface. Now what I did is I actually took my cutting board and I wrapped it in saran wrap just to make cleanup a little bit easier. All right, so we don't want to work this too much, and I have a little cup of flour beside me just to make sure that nothing sticks. We just want to keep maneuvering this until it forms about a 6" by 6" square, anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to a full inch thick. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a knife and we're going to cut this into 9 squares. They should each be about 2 inches by 2 inches. We're then going to put our cherries into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish that I've lined with butter. And then we're going to top these with our topping. Once our topping is on top of the cherries, I'm just going to brush some milk on top of the topping and then sprinkle some sugar. Once that's done, we're going to put it into an oven preheated at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. All right, so after 45 minutes, I took our cobbler out of the oven and it's been resting for 10 minutes just to cool down. So now we get to eat. So the only way to serve a cobbler is with a giant scoop of vanilla ice cream. So to make our cherry cobbler, we started off by making the filling with cherries, sugar, lemon zest, and lemon juice, and then letting that rest in the fridge to develop a syrup. We then started making our topping with almost like a biscuit dough, and then we put that on top of our cherries before putting in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes, and then letting it cool for 10 before serving with vanilla ice cream. Summer to me means barbecue and cobbler, and this is the perfect summer dessert. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay and this is BROIL LA.